Yesterday, when I was browsing YouTube, I found a new trend that has got millions of views, which is anime clips that give motivational life lessons with voiceover. But I also discovered that they work well on Instagram and TikTok as well. Since anime is loved all over the world, these clips bring millions of views. But the problem is that using these clips is full of risks because they are copyrighted. So is it possible to make them with AI? The answer is yes. You can create shorts like these, or even better, entirely with AI. And the wonderful thing is that you can create them entirely with free tools. Let's start immediately and step by step with this blueprint. We have 5 steps to create anime shorts like this.
You may not grasp the essence of true heroism. The world is brimming.
Step 1. Create the quotes. There are 2 ways to do this step. The first is to create them from one of the famous AI chatbots, such as Gemini, Copilot, or Chatgpt. We prefer to use Chatgpt as it is awesome. You can use GPT 3.5 for free on OpenAI website. Here all you have to do is tell it that you want to create anime shorts about self-improvement and ask it to create 5 or 10 copyright-free quotes about Stoic principles, each of them 15 seconds or 20 seconds long, but tell it to create them in simple modern words without complication. And give it an example. I will put a link in the description to a Google Docs file that contains this complete prompt. You can copy it and put it in Chatgpt directly, then press enter. As you can see, it has created 5 copyright-free sentences and they are ready to use. The second way is the best, which is to reformulate the scripts within the shorts that work well. The method is very simple. Just go to one of these channels that publish viral anime shorts that provide motivational life lessons and copy the link to one of the shorts. Click on popular option. Now these are the most watched shorts on the channel. Just click on one of these shorts and copy its link from here. Then go to this website. After that, all you have to do is paste the link in this place and click on Get Video Transcript. What this tool will do is convert the voiceover in the short into text. As you can see, it gave us the full script as it is in the short. Now click Copy to copy the script and go to Chatgpt. Here tell Chatgpt to reformulate this script and make it copyright-free while preserving the original meaning, but tell it to delete the numbers as well. As you can see, it just gave us the same meaning as the original script, but with different words and free of copyright. Step 2. Convert the script into a voiceover. In this step, you have 3 ways to turn the script into a realistic and professional voiceover. 1. You record it with your voice or one of your family members if he has a wonderful voice. 2. You pay a freelancer to record it in a professional voice and provide it to you. You can find professional freelancers on a website like Fiverr, for example. 3. Use the magic of AI to turn text into speech. We will use the third method, which is AI voices. Okay, we will use Elevenlabs website because it is perfect for this step. This website provides 10,000 free characters per month. And here are the plans if you want more. After you create an account on the website, you will encounter this interface. Here you have 3 things to complete the conversion process. First, copy the script that Chatgpt wrote for you and paste it in this box and make sure it does not contain mistakes. Second, choose one of these voices, but choose one that is appropriate for the niche. Since we are talking about motivational life lessons, choose a voice full of activity and vitality. Finally, click on Generate Speech. As you can see, it is ready.
You may not grasp the essence of true heroism.
To download it, click on this download icon and it will be downloaded in MP3 file to your device. Step 3. Create the anime images. Okay, now we have to create professional anime images, but the problem here is that if we go to Leonardoai and just tell it to create images of such and such, the images will most likely not be professional. So we need professional prompts first in order to put them in Leonardoai and provide us with amazing images like these. So just go to Gravitywrite website. This website provides a tool that creates professional prompts for creating images. It provides 2,000 words per month for free. All you have to do is scroll down until you find the filmmaking tools. Click on it, then click on AI image generation. After that, paste the script in this box. And here choose the genre for the images. Type fantasy, and here type anime, then click on create content. As you can see, these are the prompts. Simply copy one of them and go to Leonardoai website. This website provides 150 daily tokens for free. Click on image generation. Then make sure that you have chosen this size so that it is suitable for shorts. Then put the prompt here and remove imagine prompt and these letters and numbers. In this section, choose anime pastel dream. Then at this option, choose creative. You can also choose the number of images you want it to create. Finally, click generate and let the magic begin. As you can see, the images are really professional, but if you don't like them, you can regenerate them until you achieve the desired results. To download the images, click on download image like this. If you want to create an image similar to the one you liked, click on these 2 arrows and click on generate. Then you will find the similar images in the generation history section here. After that, repeat the same process with the rest of the prompts until you make approximately 9 images, which is enough to make short video. Step 4. Convert the images into videos. If you made the short with only still images and voiceover, it would be boring and would not have the same effect as an animated video, so we will turn them into videos like this.
You may not grasp the essence of true heroism.
We will be using Runway for this step. This website provides 105 seconds for free, and each video consumes 4 seconds. Okay, in this page click on Gen 2 and it will take you to this page. Then click Upload and upload your image. In this option, you can control the speed of the video. If you want fast motion, increase this number and decrease it for slow motion. In this box, you can specify what you want to appear in the video. Then just click generate and Runway will start its magic. It's ready. Watch how it turned the image into a video. If the result is bad, you can change the settings you chose as you wish and click generate again until you reach the desired result. Sometimes the problem is with the image, as the image is bad and it is difficult to create a great video from it. So if you have done everything and the video is still bad, try changing the image. To download it, click on this download icon. Then repeat the same process with the rest of the images you have. But I guess you won't make just one short, right? Rather, you will make many of them, and you will run out of free seconds and have to pay after that. Therefore, if you want a website that provides the same service completely for free, you can use Pixverse website. This website has a conversion process very similar to Runway, but it is possible that it will launch paid plans soon, so you should take advantage of it as soon as possible. Step 5. Merge the voiceover with the videos. We prefer using Capcut to do this step as it is easy to use and convenient, especially for beginners. Go to Capcut website and create an account. After that, you will see this interface. Choose this size to match the size we want. Now upload the videos and the voiceover. Then put the videos next to each other in the timeline and put the voiceover below the videos. The next thing is auto captions. Just click on captions, then auto captions, and finally click on generate. As you can see the magic of AI. After that, click on one of the texts and adjust its settings from here. You can choose the font type and its size from the basic option. We suggest using this type as it is wonderful and this size is suitable for it. Drag the text to the middle of the short so that it is clear to the viewer. Then make sure that this option is activated so that the changes are applied to all texts. Then choose one of these types of animation. We have 3 types that we think are the best: slight stretch type and frame pop type and pop-up discoloration type. For example, we will choose frame pop type. Also go to effects. Here you will find many amazing effects. Choose what you like and drag it over the videos like this. Also put a transition between the videos to increase professionalism. In the transitions option, you will find many wonderful types. Choose one of them and drag it between the videos like this. After that, click on filters. This type is excellent. Also drag it over the videos. The last thing we will add to the short is music so that it becomes more professional. For this purpose, there are free and paid options. For free options, there is the YouTube audio library. It provides a lot of music. And for paid options, Epidemicsound is one of the best websites that provide high quality and professional music. You can find its link in the description. After you choose the music, download it from the website and upload it to Capcut, then put it here below the videos and make its length the same as the length of the short. And make sure that it is clearly audible and not loud at the same time so that it is not annoying. Okay, after merging the voiceover with the videos, putting the music, and all the other things we did, the final video will be like this.
You may not grasp the essence of true heroism. The world is brimming with individuals possessing immense power, yet often with questionable character. It's the duty of heroes to stand up to them, even if it means standing alone.
To download it, click on export, then download. After downloading it, you can repeat the same process for any number of shorts you want. Then publish them on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram as well, in order to get as many views as possible. If you want another niche that has got hundreds of millions of views, watch this video shown on the screen.